dolphins out here. Come on, Flipper. So I believe those birds flying in the distance are pelicans. I don't see any dolphins today. They must be on the other side. We'll take a look when we get over there. Dolphin yet, so we're gonna have to find some. They don't really jump out of the water too much. You just see them kind of curve into the water. They come up and kind of curve over into the water. Time to get back in the car.